ko, mayroon akong cute na cleavage. Hi, good evening, good afternoon, happy Friday. It's my Friday. Yeah, hello, happy Halloween to everyone. Trick or treat. By the way, kumusta ka na, Ditch? Ditcher, kumusta ka na? Ano ang ganap ng buhay mo dyan? Nag-enjoy ka ba? Nag-enjoy ka ba sa bebe mo? Dyan sa lugar kung saan ka? Ay, kalood ni mo eh. Unya, mag-expect pa ka nga irespeto ka? In which part? Which part should people be respect you? For those people that knows who you really are. You'll never get respected whatsoever. For those people are tanga as yours, yes, erespeto ka. Alam ko, sa outcome mo lang, it shows how filthy, dirty you are. It's hard to accept. Nobody respect you. Have you been respected with people that knows you? Nobody. Instead, they ditch you out. They ditch you out of shadow. Ay, I forgot. Gagamit sana ako ng filter. Dapat ko pa naman sana i-demo sa'yo. Para pag maglagay ng ano yung nilagay, pillow ka, hindi maiwan. Kawawa naman. Mamaya pala, after nito, maggamit ako ng filter. Yung gumanda talaga ako ng bongga. Naku, atakihin ka. Atakihin ka talaga. Kasi, pipiliin ko yung filter na glamorous. Glamorous. Pang Broadway. Pang portrait. Oh, diba? Gets mo yan? Broadway. Portrait. Diba? So, like this. Like this. Ay, wala itong filter. But, nagpapaganda ako ngayon kasi nag-costume ake. Dahil nga, it's a Halloween party sa trabaho. At always naman ako ganito mag-dressed up. I love dressing up. I love it. So, ikaw, paano na yan? Expect ka ng expect. Nobody grant your demand. If you get, as you said, you get offended, na off guard ka. Well, lesson learned, but you never learn from the first.